Hey there, everyone. Hope it's going good. Um, Sorry it's been a while since there's been a video. We've been requested to do some prank calls, so we're gonna see if we can't do that for you.
Can I help you?
Hi, can I speak to Mike, please?
I'm sorry.
Could I speak to Mike, please?
Mike is not here.
I'm not sure we're talking. Just to make sure we're talking about the right guy. We're talking about Mike Hunt, right?
I'm sorry.
Mike Hunt.
There's nobody here. Mike at the moment. Like the only Mike works in the morning.
Okay. Um. Well, can you tell him I'm pregnant with his baby?
I'm sorry.
Can you tell him I'm pregnant with his baby?
I don't know his phone number.
Yeah. We'll try a new one here. Not sure if this one's open 24 hours or not. We'll see. Okay, no answer there. Oh crap. Um, I made the biggest error that you can possibly make while doing prank calls. I didn't block my phone number. All right, we're good now. Call 7-Eleven.
Hello, 7-Eleven. How can I help you?
Hi, I just wanted to let you know that I love you.
Sorry.
I just wanted to let you know that, I mean, I love you a lot, but I don't think this is going to work out. We're going to have to see other people.
All right, buddy. Have a good night.
Ah, sorry about the delays in the video here. Uh, just kind of doing this live on a whim here. Let's try and book a hotel stay for a ridiculously long period of time.
Thank you for calling the Days Inn and Suites by Wyndham in Winkler, Manitoba. If you know the extension or room number you're trying to reach, please dial it now.
Good evening, Days and Winkler. Laura speaking.
Hi, how much is room for a night?
Just like the regular two queen bed.
Yeah, sure.
That would be 105 per night plus tax.
Okay, do you have any rooms available right now?
Yes, we do.
Okay, I'd like to book a room for the next 17 years, please.
For the what?
I'd like to book a room for the next 17 years.
Okay, just hang on one moment. Hi there. Sorry, what was your request?
I would like to book a room for the next 17 years.
Um, I'm not quite sure that we do that. Can I book you in for 2 weeks?
Um,
And then we can extend as you need?
Okay, sure. Hang on, just to confuse them. Now let's we're gonna try it's an old one, but I still get a kick out of it. We're gonna see if Petro on Keniston has all their fridges running.
Petchgana.
Hi, my name is Mike with Camco Refrigeration. Are all your fridges running right now?
Sorry, what was it?
My name is Mike. I'm calling with Camco Refrigeration. Are all of your fridges running right now?
Yeah.
Okay, well you might want to catch them. I should have maybe toyed with that one a little bit longer. Let's see if we can get a McWiener. They're 24 hours, so they should be answering. Late rush, maybe. While we wait for somebody to answer the phone, would just like to take a moment to thank our sponsors. Oh wait, we don't have any damn sponsors. So if anyone out there is looking for a small channel to sponsor, a lot of places don't like to answer a call if it's blocked number. Okay. We'll try gas station here. Hi, it's Tim calling. I was just wanting to let you know I can't make it into to work in the morning. I decided I'm going to be drinking instead.
Hello?
Yeah, can you let the manager know I won't be in the morning?
Sorry, what's your name?
Tim.
What's your name?
Tim.
Hello?
Yes, my name is Mike.
Mike.
Yes.
So it's Scarface Shell. Are you working here, Mike?
Yeah. I was supposed to be there at 6. I'm supposed to be there at 6, but I decided that drinking sounded like more fun. But can you just maybe tell them I'm sick? I'll
Okay, I will. Okay, and what's your phone number?
my phone number is 911.
Yeah.
Do you want to come over for a drink when you're off work? Uh, this video will probably take a little while to upload. We're approaching the 10-minute mark. There was one I was wanting to do with you guys, but I'm trying to remember here.
Hello, Michelle.
Hi. I was just wondering if you could let your sister know that she left her underwear at my house.
Sorry?
Could you let your sister know that she left her underwear at my house?
Who left?
Your sister left her underwear at my house.
No,
They
I
smell
don't have any sister.
they smell like fish, and I need her to pick them up. All right. Well, I'll try and come up with a better video when I plan more in advance for you guys, but hopefully that gave you a couple laughs. Sorry. Peace.